Hey God,
Hey,
how are you doing?
EK, how are you? You calling me late tonight?
How's your day today?
Good.
You get a lot of prayer requests.
Nothing I can't handle.
Hmm. So God, I just have a quick question. Like this whole COVID and lockdown thing, like when's it gonna stop?
Good question, EK. Good question.
Because obviously, like you're like in control of everything in it, so you know everything, and like you can make it stop, can't you, if you want to?
I have the power to. Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So God, out of interest, and just out of interest, are you the one who caused this? Are you the one who? Is this like one of those things that you did in the days of Noah, where you just like did something to the whole earth and saved Noah and his household because you were a bit angry at what people were doing?
No, no, this is not like that.
Okay. So like,
You see, EK, I allow some things to happen sometimes. I
oh,
don't cause it,
okay.
but some things I allow to happen.
Ah, okay.
It doesn't change the fact that I'm good. There's a blessing in this season for you, mate.
God, I really want to kind of experience you in a new way in my life. I'm just tired of just living just a good life, just being good. I want to see more of your power and your glory in my life.
It's possible, of course.
Uh, you know?
There is so much more for you to experience in
It's
me.
like I want to experience you as my like healer.
I am Jehovah Rapha.
I want to experience you as like my provider.
I am Jehovah
I want
Jireh.
to experience your resurrection power in my life. I just I don't
You can, EK, you can. But how thirsty are you?
beyond just this living a good life, reading my Bible and praying. I want to kind of experience you in a new way. You know.
My invitation for friendship is
Mm,
open and available to all. I
yeah.
stand at the door and knock. If you will open the door, I will
Okay.
come in and we'll share a meal together as friends, just as it says in my word in
Yeah.
Revelations chapter 3 verse 20.
Yeah. I'm about to call it a night, God. Yeah. Thanks for. It's been good talking. Definitely.
Yeah, let's talk more in the morning.
Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. In the morning. Yeah.
I have a fresh word for you to kickstart your day.
Okay. Yeah. Have a good night, God.
Night night, son.
Sleep tight. Oh no, of course you don't sleep.
I'm up all night.
You're watching over us, aren't you, over the night?
That's right.
Yeah, great to hang out, God. Have a good night.
Sleep well.
Bye.